Welcome. If you're experiencing problems with Discord calls, don't worry. Today, we're going to explore effective solutions to get you back in touch with your friends. Let's jump right in. First up, number 1. Update your Discord app. Ensuring you have the latest version can resolve many issues, so head over to the Google Play Store and check for updates. Number 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to a stable network. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that makes a difference. Next, number 3. Restart your device. You'll be surprised how often a simple restart can work wonders. Now, number 4. Clear the app's cache and data. Go to your device settings, select Apps, find Discord, tap on Storage, and then choose Clear Cache followed by Clear Data. Moving on to number 5, check your app permissions. Head back to Settings, select Apps, find Discord, and ensure that all necessary permissions, especially for the microphone and camera, are enabled. At number 6, disable VPN services if you're using them, as they can disrupt your connection. If those don't work, number 7 is to reinstall the app. Uninstall, then reinstall Discord to start fresh. Finally, number 8, check for system updates to ensure your device is running the latest software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Updates. With these steps, you'll be able to fix those pesky Discord call problems in no time.